Hi, I'm John Papa, and I work with Pluralsight. And if only I had somebody who could help me work some internationalization into my apps.
Hi, John.
What? Who are you?
I'm Angular Man.
Angular Man. Awesome. Yeah. Angular Man, can you help me do internationalization of my application?
Absolutely. I'm here to save the day.
It's a lot of fun. Actually, this is my good friend Brian Clark. Want to introduce yourself?
I'm Brian Clark. I'm a web developer, and I like to use Angular.
Cool, and so do I. So Brian, let's talk about how do we build an application in Angular where we have internationalization, because maybe I've got a use case where I've got different customers from different countries and they speak different languages.
Yeah, well, I think first thing we should start with is kind of clearing up some confusion around what internationalization means and what localization means. Internationalization is providing a means for your application to support localization. And localization is actually adapting to the local environment or the local culture for that app to run in.
Okay, so a locale might be like where you are.
Yeah.
So much like to say locality, for example. So I might be, for example, I might be a German-speaking person who happens to be in Zimbabwe.
Yep.
Right? So
Could be, I guess.
the locale in that case would be Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
Because I want to adapt to their culture, but I need to speak German on that particular site.
Right.
Okay.
And in particular for Angular, there's a module called Angular Translate that provides that internationalization support within your app that you can just install.
Oh, so we don't have to do this from scratch then. There's something to help us.
Correct, yeah.
Good. Phew. Angular Man saving my day.
Sure.
So who wrote Angular Translate?
Pascal Precht.
Oh, cool. So he's the GDE, the Google Development Expert.
Yeah, he seems like a cool guy. Watched a lot of his videos, and that's how I learned about Angular Translate.
Sweet. So how do we hook this up?
Well, so we're going to start with an app that I'm not sure you're really familiar with. It's the Hot Towel Spa app.
Oh, Hot Towel.
Do
Yeah.
you know much about that?
A little bit.
Okay.
So that's a good starting point for, it just gives you a basic Angular app. So
Yeah.
you're going to take this app here, which has got some basic text on it, and I assume you're going to translate that to another language?
Correct, yeah, and we'll go with Spanish.
Spanish?
Yeah.
Sí.
You like that? Okay, cool.